Hello there, today I show you my professional sketch maker, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied some result and original photo and marks area, and this is the result. You can custom the sketch looking and the stock photo stock. Any type of image you can make very easily, pencil sketch looking, and you can make it PNG very easily. See, it's very nice. Real pencil drawing like. Okay, first to go my download file, their main file. You can read the L file if needed. There is some information include. This is the pattern, you need to load it, and this is the script. So first load the pattern, select and double click your mouse, then it's loaded your Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. Go window and the pattern section, click this option and input pattern, find out my download file, go the folder, and there is your pattern. Select and load button, click. Now pattern is loaded, close it. Now go window, action option, click. Maybe action option show the right side. Now I have settled it left side for my better understanding purpose. Go window and the layer option, click. Now layer option show. Click the option and load button, click. Find out my download file there, and there is show professional sketch maker. Select and load button, click. Now it's loaded. Script up and down option. This is the folder and this is the script. Now open a photo. I have opened this photo first time. See, you can use any size of image, but my video time saving purpose I have used 200 pixel, and make sure your photo is a RGB color mode there. If not the RGB color mode, then go image mode, RGB, just click there, and if shown image says OK button, click, and make sure your photo is a lock icon show. Background name is background. Sometime some photo are look like PNG, transparent or layer 0 format like this one, that is not accept the action make the error message. You need to fix it. Right button, click, and fit an image option, click. Now is set a lock background layer. Now quick selection tool, select subject button, click. If you select the quick selection tool, and there is show select subject button. If you select subject button, click, your focus is automatically selection mode. See, there is now selection show. Create a new layer and must be change the new layer text option BRUSS, no space, hyphen, comma or other character include. Click other space, only lowercase, and same my spelling BRUSS, do not include any other character, uppercase or lowercase mix up character, only lowercase, brush as it is my spelling. And I have to select the pen bucket tool. There is select any light color and fill up the color. Make sure you fill up the brush layer. Now we need to deselect first, otherwise action make the error, because you need to deselect. We record the deselection option. Select and deselect, and now and select your brush. If any area mistake you think, you can brush the area. Just make sure you select the brush layer and you have brushed the brush layer. You can use brush tool or pen tool. If you use the pen tool for fill up the option, so you need to use pen tool, but delete the path in path section, then apply the action. Okay, my image is ready, and I have select the play in all in on play action, play me. Now I have select this one and select the brush layer and hit the play button, click. Please do as it is as I show. Now start working depending on PC configuration and image resolution size. We have include more layer for adjust the effect. Action is finished. Hello there, action is done. Working now. We can custom. There is more layer and view. So this is the finishing result and message. See the looking. There is default setting. Now we can use any of setting. Just show you. This is the shading photo. See, if no need to overshading, you can uncheck this one and uncheck this one. Then photo not shading. This is the shading and another full area shading. You can use this if you want, and this is the shade photo. Sometimes this option need more. So if you view this one and adjust this one, see the lighting, the different. Okay, now I do not need this is the extra stock looking in top side. See the line art, and there is the adjustment. You can use any of other adjustment there. Select, see, check and uncheck, and double click this adjustment. You can controlling it very easily. See the fat tone and the dark tone, but I do not need that this time. I like to default setting. I just show you. This is the paper option. See the paper option added. Uncheck, paper option gone, and you can PNG make it very easily. Uncheck the background layer and uncheck the background copy and uncheck this one. Now there is show full of area sketch looking because of we settle there. See this option. So there is need to marks delete if you want to the PNG. So you need to do this. Delete, right button click, select the white space and right button click, delete marks, and control. I am using the PC, so I don't know make command. Control and select this option, click this option and its selection, back the sketch all to, and marks button click. Now is make. Okay, the pattern is outside area, only focus point. So this option, why not we can make this, because if not you can make PNG and you can use this one. That this step show supporting option like this one, and this is the back option, and see the backdrop sketch. Okay, this is the backdrop sketch. You can try it, and there is the color tone. See, double click this option and change very easily color. You can change color very easily. Okay, I show you now another photo. This one. Check out your photo image size. You can use any of size. I have used 2500. This script work any high resolution image. Quick selection tool and select subject button. New layer, brush, fill up, deselect, again brush. If some of area mistake, you can do manually. Just make sure you brush the brush layer and hit the play button. Just wait and see. See, there is the finishing result, and look at the very professional looking, realistic looking style. See, overall full of body. If your photo is more shading, so it look like natural. Okay, now I have show another photo. This baby photo. I have changed the size, type there 300 pixel. You can use any of size: 200 pixel, 2500 pixel, 300 pixel, 3500 pixel. Standard is 2500 pixel. And hit the play button. Because I have this script now, I need to time more extra because I have used the now big size photo. Okay, now see it, and you can check out this option, shading. You can laze it. See the our extra line art. Uncheck the shading on. It's too good now, and use the adjustment. See, it's too good. And I need to backdrop sketch, so just pick this one. Now there is the show backdrop. See, backdrop sketching, and this is the line art, the outside full of area. You can use this for full area. And this is the our site, our on site, and you can purchase directly product there, the premium product, and also include the sum of free file. And we have a flash sale option. You can visit there the flash sale section, and bundle offer available there, the cheap price, and free file also. You can download their free file.